क्या हाल हो गया है मेरा। ए माइनर, ई माइनर, एफ, जी मेजर, सी, डी माइनर। हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू प्ले म्यूजिक स्टूडियो। एंड आज जो हम सॉन्ग सीखने जा रहे हैं दैट इज़ कैसे हुआ, एंड दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक फिल्म्स कबीर सिंह. Now the singer of this song is Vishal Mishra and the composer is also Vishal Mishra. So let's start right away. So guys, for this song we will be keeping the capo on the second fret, that is this fret, and from now on this will be our first, second, third and fourth and fifth fret. So this is how we will continue with our both strumming pattern and chords. Now the very first chord that we will be learning is the A minor chord, and remember that the bass fret is the second fret. So for playing the A minor chord you have to keep your first finger on the first fret on the B string, that is the second string. Your second fret will be on the second fret, that is your D string, fourth string, and your third finger will be on the second fret, that is the G string, that is your string number 3. This is how we will be playing the A minor chord. You can check out here as well. Now the second chord is our E minor chord. Now to play E minor chord you have to put your second finger on the second fret on the A string, and your third finger will be on the second fret on the D string, that is the fourth string. F major chord, you have to put your first finger on the first fret, that will act as a bar. So it will be from your B fret to the E fret. Now your second finger will be on the G string on the second fret, and your third finger will be on the D string, that is the fourth set. So this is how the position will look like. Now to play the G chord you have to put your first finger on the second fret, that is the A string. Your second finger will be on the third fret on the E string, that is the sixth string, and your third finger will be on the third fret. Your third finger will be on the third fret on the E string, that is the first string. Now our next chord is C chord. To play the C chord you have to put your first finger on the first fret, that is the B string, second. Your second finger will be on the second fret on the D string, that is your fourth string. Your third finger will be on the third fret on the A string, that is your fifth string. So this is how you will play the C chord. Our next chord is D minor chord. In order to play D minor chord you have to put your first finger on the first fret on the E string, your second finger on the second fret on the G string, and your third finger on your third fret on the B string. So the next chord is the E major chord. To play the E major chord you have to put your first finger on the first fret, that is the G string. Your second finger will be on the second fret, that is the A string, and your third finger will be on the second fret on the D string. So this is how you will play the E major chord. Guys, so the strumming pattern for this particular song will be down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So this will be followed in the verse, and let's see how does it work out. मैं बारिश की बूंदें नहीं था हवाओं में रजता सीने में कहाँ थी। कहीं पे है रातें, कहीं पे सवेरे। Down, 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 down. Now the same strumming pattern will be used in the chorus as well. So it will be कैसे हुआ तू इतना ज़रूरी, कैसे हुआ down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So guys, that's all for the strumming pattern. If you want to hear the full song I will be making a full length song, and I will post it on the Instagram of Play Music Studio. So do check out our other platforms, and we also have some of our originals released out on the Spotify. So do check them out, and yeah, thank you.
You nailed it! Ready to level up your skills? Dive into more tutorials here, or discover original songs on Avra here. Hit subscribe and let's keep playing together.